This is Traverse, and it's basically really simple materials, acetate sheets that are rolled into tubes, which are the trees, and acrylic and ink on mylar, which are the branches. And the trees are basically inspired by bamboo trees and birch trees, as you can tell from the patterns on the trunks. Most of my work, it deals with nature, and I take elements from our natural environment and kind of transpose it into different spaces. So for this installation, I was really interested in taking this urban environment and kind of transposing my own, I guess what you can say, an imaginative or imagined ethereal forest. Sort of like a landscape that people can travel through, like at least with their eyes as they pass by.